Alrighty, so if you've got a Chevy Camaro and you want to replace the headlight, tail light I should say, first thing you're going to do is take off this cover. It has 3 bolts of this clip. I said bolts, clip, sorry, it's been a long day. And this is how those clips work. So wherever the indentation is, put your flathead, pop the head of the clip out, and then the rest of it will follow. So for instance, that's where you're going to put your flathead. So in order to actually remove the taillight, you're going to have to get in here, and there's a few bolts here. So you've got 1 and a 2 and a 3. And the reason you have to take those out is you want to get to this little screw way up here, right there. Which honestly, looking at it, we can probably get to it without taking those screws out. So that's what I'm going to try to do now. And this is a 7mm. So you can just put it through this nice access hole. Alright, success. So I'm going to take that out and then I'll show you guys what to do after. Cool, so the next step, there's 2 clips right here. One of them's already been removed. Here's the other one. Just get in there and pry it out like so. Once you've got it to that point, you can just pull that out, put it with the other ones, then go back with your flathead and jiggle and wiggle. So that's free. And now that that screw is out, you're just gonna kind of pop the bumper, pop it back a little bit. You know what, actually you are gonna have to take these off because the inner fender is gonna hold the bumper in. So the way I did that, using the same 1/4-inch ratchet, I got this Torx bit and T20 1/4-inch socket, and you kind of just go like that, and then that actually gives you enough room without having to take the wheel off. So let me take those 3 screws out and then I'll remove the bumper and in turn the headlight. Once those bolts are out, you can just get in here all the way. Since those 2 clips are out, this should kind of just come free and pop down. But let's make sure that I'm doing this right. Oh, you know what? There's one more under here. Same thing, T20. So once you have these 3 bolts from the inner fender as well as the one underneath, you can kind of separate this. Oh wow, there's actually a 5th. Alright, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 7mm bolt. Now let's see if we can't lower this down a bit. We need both hands for this. So it actually snaps in right here under this ridge. So you want to just grab it right here with both hands and just gently move it back. That'll give you access to the tail light. And with these 2 bolts removed, 2 7mm, doesn't really want to come out because this clip back here. So you're going to want to separate it. I like to use a flathead. Just pop it out like that. That's all you need to do. And as far as this goes, you can put a flathead right here in this little indentation and back it out. I'm going to do it up here so I don't scratch the paint. Sorry about the camera work. So as you can see, as soon as that's removed, this just easily comes out like that. Alright, and that's it. We can set this off to the side. Hopefully I didn't scuff this paint up or anything. Have to go back and clean the area and wax it again, but that's basically the idea. And then to put your new headlight in, tail light, that's it.